Is your PC getting slow while using Google Chrome or any other browser? And are you tired of seeing ads popping up everywhere? Well, let me show you a browser that changes everything. It not only blocks ads, it actually makes your PC run smoother and keeps your privacy safe. I'm talking about the Brave browser and its powerful built-in ad blocker. In this video, I will break down how it works, why it's better than your regular ad blockers, and I will even show you a live demo. So let's dive in. Most of us use Chrome browser, and if you switch to Brave, you will not face any issues. The truth is, Chrome and Brave are almost same identical. The only difference is the name. Brave is built on the same foundation as Chrome, but it's way better when it comes to features. Plus, you can easily import all your important bookmarks and data without any hassle. When you use Brave browser, you will get a built-in ad blocker, and it also blocks tracker automatically. But with Google Chrome, you need to download separate extensions for ad blocking, which can slow down your browser and take up extra memory usage, making it run much smoother and keeping your memory free. On the other hand, if you use Chrome, it tends to use almost double the memory, which can slow down your computer and cause some lag. This can make it a bit harder to work efficiently. Here you can see that I have run both browsers side by side, and Brave browser has used far less memory compared to Chrome. Now let me open a tab. If I open a website on Chrome, you will see a lot of ads and unnecessary pop-ups. But when I open the same site on Brave browser, it automatically blocks all the ads and trackers. As you can see above, it shows in real time how many ads and tracker has been blocked by Brave. The browser gives a live feed of all the ads and tracker it's stopping, so you can see exactly what's being blocked as you browse. Now let's talk about the settings. Go to settings, then shields. Here you have two options, basics and aggressive blocking. Basic blocks trackers and most ads, while aggressive blocks everything, including embedded ad script. You can even turn off ad blocking for specific sites if you want. It is super flexible and beginner friendly, so you can choose exactly what works the best for you. Brave is not just about ad blocking. It is a part of a bigger mission to create a decentralized web where users have control, not advertisers. They even have a feature called Brave Rewards, where you can choose to view privacy respecting ads and earn crypto tokens. And it is totally optional. So Brave gives you privacy, performance and choice all in one package. And if you don't like this feature, you can always go to settings and change it. Just simply set the homepage to google.com. If you value your privacy and want a cleaner, faster internet, Brave browser is definitely worth trying. Check out the link in the description to download Brave and give it a go yourself. And if you learned something or found this video helpful anyway, feel free to give it a like. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. That's it for now. See you in the next one.